Good morning, good morning, good morning. So this is a bond bridge lesson, and I will start making these little short lessons to help you all build on a skill. So we are talking about tone, and of course we're analyzing diction, and we know that means the author's word choice so that we can determine the tone of a text. So here is how we determine tone. This may be review for some. This may be new to others. So we have three sentences. The first sentence says, sit in the sunshine and smile. Bask in the brilliant rays. Discover your giggle. The second sentence reads, sit in the hot sun and smirk. Recline in the glaring rays. Hunt for that snicker. The third sentence reads, sit in the warm sun and grin. Relax in the warm rays. Look for a chuckle. Yes, yes, yes. All three of these things are saying the same thing. However, it is the diction that makes it different, and the diction creates a different tone and mood. We know that tone is the author's attitude towards a particular subject, as well as his attitude towards, or her attitude towards, the characters in the story and the audience. And I'm talking about the intended audience, not the audience, the general audience. So what we do is we look at the words, look at the word choice. Now remember, when you are reading, you have to give the words on a page a voice, okay? You become a narrator. And so we look at these words. For example, sentence 1 says sunshine and smile, right? Well, when I think about sunshine, I think about relaxation. It gives me an optimistic feeling. It gives me, it helps me to feel just relaxed. It's soothing. It's happy. Um, I love when the sun is shining on my face, and then I'm smiling. So when I think about a smile, I think about my cheekbones going up from ear to ear. It's just glee. Glee means happy. So I'm excited. I'm enthusiastic. So I'm thinking about all of that. Then when I hear hot sun and smirk, hot, hot sun, I'm not as happy. I'm not as passionate. I'm not as relaxed. When I think about hot sun, I think about I'm uncomfortable. And so if I'm uncomfortable, will I be able to smile from ear to ear? Probably not. Now, I could smirk like, okay, at least the sun is out. And then let's look at the word warm sun and grin. Okay, the warm sun. All right, that's not as negative as hot sun. However, it's not as joyful or jubilant as sunshine. So, three different words, three different words, same meaning almost, but they create a different tone. So when we're thinking about tone, here's what I need for you all to do. I need for you all to think about the feelings that are attached to the words. Not feelings concrete, but feelings abstract, like happy, sweet, shameful, I don't know, harsh. So that is how we produce, or that is how we determine the tone. In your, in Canvas, if you check the resource pages, I have added all type of resources to help you. And there is a tone bank that you can refer to. All right, guys. So I'm just going to briefly just recap. So we look at the author's diction, the word choice, to determine the tone. We ask ourselves, What is the feeling that I have when I read this word? And I'm not talking about concrete, I'm talking about abstract. We can start on a low level. Okay, I feel happy. Now, then we move up. Is it happy or is it joyful? Is it joyful or is it jubilant? Is it jubilant or is it sheer optimism, encouraging? So that is how we start looking at or using the word so that we can determine word choice. Tone. So again, we look at the author's diction. We ask ourselves, what feeling am I getting with this word? And then that is how we create tone. All right, guys, have a good day.